Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
I'm Dr. Vijaya Supriya,
author of.
hip hop and ESL, shaping second language skills through rap.
Wow, that's quite an interesting concept. What made you discover this as a concept?
Actually, I was like experimenting with this kind of rap songs in the classroom
Right,
because
right.
I am basically an academician,
Right.
and I thought I have to do something different
Right.
for the student community,
Right.
where it's all the Gen Z generation.
Right.
They just listen to you, not your lectures.
Right.
They
So
want
you
something
rap to
different.
them, right?
Yes, I do a lot of rapping in class.
Wow,
with
I wish I
them.
had you as a teacher.
Thank you.
Have you seen a kind of like impact on the kids after you started like doing it
Yes,
this way?
because I've been doing this for now 16 years.
You've been rapping to yourself. for 16
Yes,
years?
because it's basically my research, which
Right.
I have converted into, rap class. So it makes the class interesting as well. And this is my first book, and I'm really thankful to Notion Press for that, because in a very short period of time, the entire team they did it at a very short period of time. So I'm really grateful for that.
Can you do a rap for us?
Oh, okay.
Shall we?
Can I?
Yeah, go for it.
Have a party, have fun, have a cold, have a problem, have good weather, have a get together, have a test, have trouble, have friends, have plans, have a good time. You have it in you. This is actually to teach collocations in class
Wow.
for the students,
Right.
so I thought I should put it
That
down.
was wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing this with us
Thank
and
you,
rapping
and thank
on
you
air.
to Notion Press as well.
Yeah, have a wonderful book fair, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.